Lainey, what? Lainey, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean all that stuff I said back there. And again, I'm really sorry. And I had no right to judge you. I didn't know what your past was like. And didn't know what was worse than mine. I'm sorry I was being so selfish and heartless. And no, I was just seeing how far you would go. Lainey! So you accept my apology? Yes. Yes or no? Yes, I do, Hope. Got it. What are you looking at? I don't know. Some invisible people, hello! Lainey, stop it. Freaking me out. And the dogs. Yep, they're traumatized. Whatever. So you accept my apology? Yep. But wait, lady, what are you doing? I am going to prove to you that Santa Claus is real. I'm going to go over and sleep by the fireplace so I won't miss him. Where'd that... Lainey, this is totally stupid. Sure you do think so. Doubting, make not believe. What am I saying in Irish? Well, how do you even know this is gonna work? How do you even know he's real? Oh, don't worry. I've seen a Basil Montes video, so I know it's gonna work. Oh, Lainey. Okay, this is a perfect place to set up. Perfect. Oh, wait. There we go. Wait, you're not Santa. No, I'm not. I'm Mickey, Santa's granddaughter. Wait, did you say granddaughter? Oh, no. Can you please get off of me? Uncle, whatever. Get off of me. Oh, no. Sorry. What were you thinking? Do you just normally, jump people? I mean, a Christmas Eve night in the middle of the night. And do you just jump everybody that comes out of your chimney? What? Look, I'm sorry. I just didn't know that you were Santa's granddaughter. I thought you were an actual Santa. So you were going to jump him? You're going to jump my grandfather? What kind of weirdo are you? Hey! Nobody's weirder than my family. Look, I'm really sorry. I was really hoping, just really hoping to, you know,